Because the only way to stop a bully is through teamwork. I need a team. Who wants to be part of my team? That girl right there in the green shirt. Come on, help me out. That girl. Rope that enters a box through a tiny little 1-inch hole. It comes out the bottom of the box, ending up all the way over here in the bundle. If I pull on this bundle, it moves that rope a little bit closer to the box. Spike wants to get inside the box, right? Tie this right here around your waist.
What?
Okay, yeah,
No.
yeah, because today you're gonna learn about teamwork and flexibility. Teamwork means to pull together. When I say we're gonna pull together, we're gonna pull, together. We've got a bully in our school. I've got a box and I've got a rope. I've got some friends. Now the box and the rope, do you need a box and a rope to get rid of a bully? No, this is part of a really big magic trick I promise you're gonna love. There's only one thing you need if there's a troublemaking, disrespectful kid in your school. Tell me what it is. Teamwork. You need some friends. Would you be my friend?
Yeah.
Would you help me out?
Yeah.
Do you see that kid?
Yeah.
She's a bully. Can you help me? That's how we play tug of war in real life. We look her in the eyes. We act like police officers. We are assertive. You do not laugh. You do not smile. You look her in the eyes. You say this. You say, "Leave my friend alone."
Leave my friend alone.
That was good. Look her in the eyes and say, "You stop right now."
You stop right now.
If you don't stop right now,
If you don't stop right now,
we're going to report you to the office.
we're gonna report you to the office.
Do you hear what I'm saying?
Do you hear what I'm saying?
Well, do you?
Well, do you?
Do you?
Do you?
How about we pick a fight with a bully? Would that be a good idea? No. We tell the bully the rules, and then we should be able to say, "Goodbye, bully." Let's make it happen on the count of 3. Get ready, ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Pull the rope, pull the rope, pull the rope, pull the rope, pull. Drop the rope, drop the rope. We did it! You guys, we got rid of the bully. Come here. Tell me, how do you feel?
Good.
How do you feel?
Really good.
How do you feel?
Good.
Tell me how you feel. Good. Give them all a clap being awesome today, everybody. Good job.